Today, you'll learn how to set up the new lead scoring in the HubSpot Marketing Hub, what you absolutely need to watch out for, especially the switch from the old score property, and how you can start prioritizing better leads right after.
The HubSpot Experts by WPWA Digital.
I'm Svenja, Head of MarTech Systems at WPWA Digital. Important, starting May 1st, 2025, you will no longer be able to create new legacy score properties. And as of August 31st, 2025, existing score properties will stop updating completely. This switch gives you access to extended scoring options and different types of scores, allowing you to qualify leads even more effectively. First, you have to identify the old score property and plan the transition to the new one. You'll find the old property under the Settings, Data Management and Properties. Within the Contact properties, search for Score. Here you'll find the HubSpot score. Under Field Type, you can check how many points you handed out for which criteria, and under Usage, you see where you used your scoring properties. In workflows, in lists, or in views. These are the points where you have to switch to the new property. Here's where you'll find the new lead scoring tool. Go to Marketing and Lead Scoring in the HubSpot menu. Now you can choose your scoring type. Engagement score. This measures behaviors and interactions of contacts and companies. Then Fit score. It matches demographic or firmographic data against your ideal customer profile. Then there's also the combined score, a mix of both engagement and fit score. And for deals only, there's the deal score. It compares deals against your goals and ICP alignment. Let's walk through an example. Here's how you can create an engagement score. First, you define a maximum score. It has to be at least 100 points. Then we add the scoring criteria. For example, if a lead downloads an ebook via a form, they are high value. You can give out 50 points. A newsletter sign-up would be worth fewer points. If the lead opened marketing emails in the past month or engaged with your ads, they also earn points. There's a wide range of marketing events you can score for. You can also deduct points. For example, if the lead is a competitor or clicked on one of your job ads. You can group events into categories if you want to structure your criteria. Make sure the total number of points doesn't exceed 100. Our tip: start with just a few criteria and test later using real data. Decide whether to score all contacts or only selected ones. Pro tip: use a filtered list if you only want to score certain lifecycle stages. Define the name of your score and, very important, the threshold. Don't forget to activate your score at the end. And that's it, your contacts will now start being scored. Pro tip: use workflows to automatically pass high-scoring qualified leads directly to your sales team. And that's it. You've now learned how to check if your old score property is still in use and how to create an optimized lead score with HubSpot new lead scoring functionality. This gives you much more flexibility when building scores, lets you track more event types and enables scoring not just for contacts, but also for companies and deals. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more HubSpot tips, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Need help transitioning to HubSpot's new lead scoring? Reach out to us at WPWA Digital. As a certified platinum partner, we are here to support you.